Today we're putting two popular pressure washers head to head. The Grandfalls Retractable Pressure Washer Pro versus the G20 Pro. If you are trying to decide which one deserves a spot in your garage, stick around. We've got a full comparison coming your way. Let's start with the design. Both models feature Grandfalls' signature retractable hose system, which is a game changer for storage and usability. The Pro comes with a sleek industrial design and a heavier duty casing. It's clearly built for frequent use. On the other hand, the G20 Pro is a bit more compact and lighter, ideal if you are tight on space or need more portability. So here are the bottles for each pressure washer, so they are the same. As you can see, same thing for both bottles. Now these are the spray guns, and as you can see, both of them are the same. Same tips, same metal, same plastic, same size, everything is the same. So this is the G20 on the left, and this is the Pro on the right side. So they are the same thing. There is no difference. Okay, we're ready to test the G20 Pro. So first thing, connect the hose, your hose to the extension. Open the water all the way. Okay, and then it has to fill the water inside first. So it's gonna take a little bit of time. So plug it in. I'm using an extension, so that might affect slightly the pressure of the pressure washer. So if you have a wall outlet that is close to your pressure washer, that is better to connect it there. But if you don't have it, you have to use an extension cord like me. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's turn it on. Let's put a little bit of pressure. Okay, and that's the noise, the sound noise for the G20 Pro. Okay, now it's time to test the noise about the Grandfalls Pro, this one. So let's see how loud it is. And this is the Grandfalls Pro. In terms of noise, both models are relatively quiet for their class, but the G20 is slightly bit louder but barely noticeable. Okay, we're gonna test the length of the hose. This one is a 65 feet long hose. So let's get it out. And this one is softer because this one has these rollers on the side, so it feels softer when you're pulling. Okay, and let me get everything out. Okay, and now this is the all the way out. It says stop, so that's everything of the hose. So now let's see. All right, look at this. The hose is all the way out. I'm here, so this is 65 feet long. Cool. Okay, now here I have the other one. I don't want to put it up there because I have to remove everything. But let's see the length of the hose. This one is 100 feet long, so let's pull it out. Right there, the stop is right there, as you can see. You can see it, it's right there. So right there is everything. Woo! Let's go. And this one, I'm gonna go on the street because I don't wanna go to the neighbor's house. I want all the hose. As you can see, everything is out. Here. Man. Let's watch out for cars. Alright, so this one, it's already out, everything. Look at this. It's super long. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna test the concrete cleaning, and I'm gonna use the orange tip. This is the G20. Okay, now we're gonna test the Pro, Grandfalls Pro with the orange tip too. So let's see it. Let's go. Yeah, so this one has more power. A little bit. This is the G20. And this is the Pro, Grandfalls Pro. When it comes to power, the Pro delivers up to 2300 psi with a flow rate of around 2.0 gallons per minute. That means it's great for heavy duty cleaning, driveways, patios, and even second story windows. The G20 Pro offers a slightly less punch at 2000 psi and a 1.7 gallon per minute flow rate. Still solid, but better suited for cars, furniture, and lighter residential jobs. Here's the real kicker: price. The Pro typically retails around 400 to 600 depending if you get it on sale or on the regular price. The G20 Pro usually lands close to 260 to 320. So what's the right choice? Go with the Grandfalls Pro if you are a power user who needs higher PSI and tougher construction. It's the better long-term investment for frequent demanding jobs. Choose the G20 Pro if you are a casual user looking for convenience, solid performance, and a slightly lower price point. Either way, you're getting a top-tier pressure washer with unmatched hose management. Giraffe Tools nailed it with both. Got questions? Drop them in the comment. Like, share, and subscribe for more cool gadgets reviews. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video.